Okay, so for this trick, you have to make sure that you can do a thumb toss catch backhand first. So practice your thumb toss catch backhand a couple times. Once you have that, you're gonna turn your body to face the side. And when you catch it, your right leg's gonna kick up and you're gonna catch backhand on the inside of your leg. So your hand will be underneath your leg. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna toss and then reach inside your leg and catch backhand underneath. You wanna make sure that you're not kicking your leg and tossing at the same time. So you should toss, kick, and then catch.